Welcome in Amsterdam. Welcome to Amsterdam on a week that we're going to call 7 Rules for Entrepreneurs. Rule number 1, solve big problems. So I'm in transit from Mumbai. Well, we're all in transit, right? But I'm in transit from Mumbai, and I get to the board and I see there is a flight that I can make to Minneapolis 2 hours ahead of the flight that I'm supposed to do. And I'm thinking, great, I'll just hop on. I'll go on standby. So I call the 800 number. I'm a Delta Premier member and all that, million miles. And I say, can you put me on standby on the earlier flight? And they say, no, that's not possible. You have to call KLM. So I call KLM and I say, can you put me on standby on the earlier flight? And they say, no, that's not possible in our system, but why don't you just go to the gate? So I go to the gate an hour and a half before the flight when they open, and I say, is it possible to go on standby? Do you have any openings on the flight? And they say, well, our system really doesn't do that. Come back right before the flight. So I go to the Delta Lounge, take a shower, have a little bit of food, and then I walk all the way from T57 to D57 again. I go there, and there are people waiting. Are you on this flight? Are you on this flight? We're missing a bunch of people. And I say, no, but I'm trying to go on standby. And I go up to the gate and I say, can I hop on this flight as long as there's empty seats? Because then you could sell the seat that I'm not going to be on at 12:10 and make some more money. And the guy says, no, that's not possible. The system doesn't allow. If you're going to think like an entrepreneur, what you want to do is solve big problems. And the bigger the problem, the bigger your reputation is going to be. And also the more money you're going to make. Put systems in place. Help people think of their biggest problems and start from the outside looking in at the systems you can put in place to solve big problems. Can you do it? Have a great day. Try to find a way to think like an entrepreneur today by solving big problems.